Okay, so for this activity, you are going to use those comparison words, those notes that you did, más que, menos que, or tan como, to describe some of the different characters on these slides. So I'm going to sort of go through and give you an example, and then we'll go back to this slide to these directions, just to make sure you know what you need to do. So here's my example. I have The Simpsons. So I picked Homer and Marge. So I said Homer es menos inteligente que Marge. So I have that word es because I'm saying he is. And then the word less, inteligente, my adjective, and then the word que, and then Marge, the person I'm comparing him to. Okay. Here I have Lisa es más musical que Bart. So Lisa is S. We use S here because we're describing what they're like. So remember we use está for talking about someone's feelings. Use S when we're like describing their personality or how they look. So Lisa es más musical que Bart. Lisa is more musical than Bart. So we have the más, our adjective musical, and the word que. Okay. So if you wanted to write about The Simpsons as a part of your assignment, you could write 2 more sentences here. And then I have a variety of different groups that you might know or might not know because I'm old. So if you want to go to Google Images and add your own TV show or whatever picture and compare those people, that's fine with me. These are just things to help you, okay? So say I look at this picture and I just want to compare Captain America and Thor. And I think that Captain America is stronger than Thor. So I would write here, Capitán América as he is más fuerte que Thor. He's stronger than Thor. Okay, and then I would pick another sentence. Say that I think that, I don't know, what's her name? Black Widow is as smart as Iron Man. So I would say Black Widow es tan inteligente como Iron Man. Okay. So you are going to choose 5 slides and you are going to compare the people. So you're going to write 2 sentences per slide. So you should have 10 slides total. And then just delete the slides you don't use. I'm going to have this as an assignment in UC, so it should just automatically make a copy of the slideshow for you. And so that's your own copy, so you can go through and delete whatever slides you don't want, or if you want to add, you can always click up here. Oh, you can't see that, but you can always click the plus button and add a slide and put whatever group you want on it, okay? So there's Family Guy, The Office, whatever, but you can add whatever. And then there's space here to type in your text.